Hi Jamyang.
Hello.
So can you tell me one new thing that you learned about emergency operations from this workshop?
First of all, I would like to say that I'm very grateful to be the part of this workshop. In my district, we don't have EOC at the moment, even at our national level in our country. So, as one of the presenters, Derek, he shared his experience from the US, lesson learned. So, technology and facility is not that necessary at the moment, and it's part of lesson learned. So everything, even the pen and pencil and paperwork. So I think the lesson learned from here will help with the every functions of EOC for me.
And as the district disaster management officer of Samtse district, I think now you're going to soon establish a district emergency operations center. So as the main focal person for disaster management, how do you see yourself being able to use what you have learned here during the process of establishment of the emergency operations center?
As a district disaster management officer, I'll be the main focal person for the EOC. So the lesson learned here will help me to function and share my knowledge to every relevant sectors. So it would be very helpful for me to function in EOC.